Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the studio. It is a rainy, gray Tuesday here in the city, the kind of day where you just want to stay inside, drink something warm, and be comfortable. I'm Luna, and sitting across from me, looking completely traumatized, is Ray.
I want to go home, Luna. I want to pack my bags, go to the airport, and leave. I am never going outside again.
You've only been in the country for a week, Ray. You can't give up yet. What happened? Yesterday you were so proud of yourself for ordering coffee.
Yesterday was a victory. Today is a tragedy. Luna, I ate dog food.
You did what? Ray, why did you eat dog food?
Look, it's not my fault. I was hungry. I woke up this morning, opened my cupboard, and I had no food. I ran out of everything.
Okay, wait. Let's slow down for our listeners. You ran out of food. That means you had zero food left in your apartment. Your supply was gone. So you went to the supermarket?
Yes, I went to the big supermarket down the street. But I was late for my language class. I didn't have time to walk around slowly. I was in a rush.
Ah, that's dangerous. When you are in a rush, you do things too quickly. You hurry. And when you are living in a new country, being in a rush is when you make mistakes.
Exactly. So I am running through the supermarket. It is massive, Luna. It's like a city. There are so many rows of shelves.
We call those aisles. A-I-S-L-E. But remember, the S is completely silent. We say aisle, like I walked down the bread aisle.
Right, the aisles. I was running down the aisles. I needed something fast for dinner tonight. I saw a can. It looked like beef stew. It had a picture of meat on it. So I just reached out and I grabbed it.
You grabbed it. You took it quickly with your hand. Did you look at the label?
No, I didn't look at the label. The label is the paper on the can, right? With the words?
Yes, the label tells you exactly what is inside the can. It has the ingredients, the name of the food, and usually a picture.
Well, I was in a rush. I just grabbed it, threw it in my basket, and went to the checkout to pay.
The checkout. That's where the cash registers are, where you give them your money. Did the person at the checkout look at you funny?
No, the cashier just scanned it and said, "Have a good day." She didn't say, "Sir, do you have a dog? Because this is for a dog." I don't have a dog, Luna. I just have a very sad apartment.
Oh, Ray. I am so sorry. But this is a classic mistake. When you are learning English, your brain is working so hard to translate everything. Sometimes your brain gets tired and you stop reading.
I opened it when I got home. I was so hungry. I took a spoon, I put it in my mouth. It tasted like salty sadness. Then I looked at the label. There was a very tiny picture of a golden retriever smiling at me.
Well, at least your coat will be very shiny this week.
Ha, very funny. I need help, Luna. How do I survive the supermarket? It's too big. I couldn't even find milk.
Okay, let's practice right now. The supermarket is divided into sections. If you want milk, cheese, or yogurt, you need to ask for the dairy section. D-A-I-R-Y. Dairy.
Okay, the dairy section. But how do I ask an employee for help without sounding stupid?
You never sound stupid for asking questions, Ray. That is rule number 1. If you are lost, find an employee. Keep it simple and polite. You say, "Excuse me, could you tell me where the dairy aisle is?"
Excuse me, could you tell me where the dairy aisle is?
Perfect. Or if you are looking for something specific, like rice, you can just say, "Excuse me, do you know where I can find the rice?"
Excuse me, do you know where I can find the rice? And what if they speak really fast and say, "Yeah, man, it's down aisle 4 past the frozen goods"?
Then you use your superpower as a language learner. You smile and you say, "I'm sorry, I'm still learning English. Could you speak a little slower, please?"
Could you speak a little slower, please? Okay, I can do that. I just hate feeling like a bother.
You are not a bother. Everyone has been in a place where they don't understand what's going on. The supermarket is overwhelming, but tomorrow you will go back. You will walk down the aisle, you will read the label, and you will buy human food.
Okay, no more grabbing things because I am in a rush. I will read the label.
Good. I am proud of you for surviving today, even if it tasted terrible.
Thank you, Luna. I think I'm going to go drink a lot of water now.
Good idea. Ray, stay hydrated. And to everyone listening at home, we want to hear from you. Language learning is full of funny mistakes. What is the most embarrassing mistake you have ever made while speaking or reading English? Tell us your story in the comments below. Ray needs to know he isn't the only one.
Please, I really need to know I'm not the only one.
Leave a comment, subscribe to the channel, and we will see you in the next episode. Stay dry out there.